Greetings everyone, SYGTECH is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, we're gonna unbox the DJI Mic Mini. Interesting microphone. Disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. I purchased the Mic Mini by myself, so I'm gonna give you honest opinion as always. So let's unbox this interesting microphone. The reason I bought this Mic Mini is because I'm planning to buy as well the new upcoming Action 6. So make sure to stay tuned for that as well. Make sure to subscribe because yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see how the mic will work. Obviously with the Osmo sound microphone system, the sound will be fantastic. So what we have here, so we have the Mic Mini, which is pretty cool. So we have the Mic Mini with the receiver and two transmitters with a Type C. I think this is fantastic. So yeah, let's unbox it now. How do you open this thing? Maybe from the top. Everything comes. I'm gonna leave the box on the side. Everything comes in a fantastic packaging, which is great. So what we have here, we have a user manual with stickers, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna leave this on the side, and everything comes packed in a bag, which is fantastic. So this is what you need if you film outside. Yeah, the back is pretty nice. I don't know if you can see. It's really soft, which is pretty cool. That's a very quality bag with a DJI logo here. So what we have here, let's put everything on the table and we're gonna look all the items separately. I do like this bag. This bag is nice. Okay, I'm gonna leave it on the side. So we have the DJI Mic Mini charging case. We're gonna check that in a second. We have the DJI Mic Mini. This is the cable. It's a 3.52 TRS, if I'm not wrong. And we have, this is quite cool. This is the wind screen. Basically, if you film outside, which I'm planning to do, we have the black one and we have two gray. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Oh, actually we have two black and two gray. This is even fantastic. So we have options. And let's check the cable as well. Again, this is, like I mentioned, 3.52 TRS. This is great if you want to connect the receiver to your camera, which I'm planning to do as well. Yeah, pretty cool. So many packaging. Also, we have a Type C to charge the case as well. Let's check this case, which pretty cool. Also, the sound you're listening right now is from Audio-Technica STS streaming headset. I'm gonna do a test after this video in a minute. Actually, we're gonna hear the quality of the mic. But yeah, this is a charging case. There's a sticker. I do like this gray color. I think it's pretty cool. Let me remove this sticker. Boy, this is yeah. Okay, so the case is very nice. It's gray. We have the LED lights here on the sides, and the back we have the Type C where you can charge the case, charge basically everything. And now let's, oh, Oh, look at that. This is cool. So if you decide to open the case, you can. So this is great because this is going to give you flexibility if you just store this in your bag. So this is going to give you like a protection. Accidentally, this probably will open, but we have like a secure thing that makes it not to open, which is cool. So you have to press down and now you can open. And yeah, this is the case, which is pretty cool. I don't know if you can see, we don't have a battery, which this is not great. So we're going to charge the receiver and the transmitters. But let's have a look first. Yeah, this is so cool. It's so small. We have the clip, which is pretty nice. Also, we have magnets, which again, this is nice to attach it to your shirt. Pretty cool. But look at the transmitter is so small. It's so nice. Pretty cool. We have 2 transmitters. Yeah, I do like that. This is pretty cool. And that's a quality. That's a quality. And this is my first mic actually. Again, I don't have any cameras to use this with the Osmo Audio. The only thing I have at the moment is just the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Again, I'm gonna plan to buy the Osmo Action 6 and maybe another action camera. So we'll see. Yeah, this is nice. And let's check the transmitter. So we have a dial here. I don't know if you can see. Let me see if this can focus. At the moment is on 0, so you can dial basically the volume of the microphones. So if you want to lower or add more dB, which this is pretty cool. But yeah, this is cool. I like the case. The case is very nice. I think this is basically what do you need to get. Obviously, they sell different options. You can get just one transmitter with one receiver, but again, I decided to buy everything. So yeah, this is pretty cool, guys. Yeah, let me know what do you think. I need to charge this microphone, and yeah, the next video you're gonna see a microphone test. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below, guys. Thank you for watching. This was the Mic Mini microphone unboxing.